I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to check your payment history on Coinbase, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by opening the Coinbase app or website and logging into your account with your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the Assets tab. Once logged in, find and click on the Assets tab located on the main navigation menu. This will take you to your wallet overview. Step 3. Select Transactions. In the Assets section, look for the Transactions option. Click on it to view all your transaction history, including payments. Step 4. Filter your history. To make it easier to find specific payments, use the filter options available. You can filter by date, type of transaction, or amount. Step 5. Review your payment details. Click on any transaction to see more details, including the payment method, amount, and date. This is also where you can find any fees associated with your transactions. Sometimes transactions may take longer to appear, especially if they are pending. Just keep an eye on the pending section if you don't see a recent payment right away. I hope this helps you easily track your payment history. If you've had any more questions, feel free to ask.